Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are starting a new series called Honest Reviews. Today we will be reviewing Luxor Finewriter. So as I already mentioned, today we will be reviewing Luxor Finewriter. This set has been one of my favorites since the day I have started taking my art seriously. It comes in an assorted pack of 10 colors. They are super affordable and I highly recommend this for all the beginners. If you are in the practice phase or if you are a beginner, I never recommend costly art supplies or professional supplies. These are one of the best choices you can make. It has a very fine feather tip which is very smooth. At the end of the video, I will also show you some of my artworks that I have made using these pens. I will be using Factor Notes grid notebook in today's video. I will link all the products used in the description box below. Let's test these pens. Their smoothness, do they even leak, or how smooth they are to handle. The grip is very smooth and it is easily manageable for all the beginners. There are many professional pens which are highly pigmented and they are not that very beginner friendly. But this pen or this set is one of the best choices. I still use this for many of my artwork. Although the colors are highly pigmented, but they do not leak or smudge at all. You can notice that there is no leakage and a very smooth flow of the pen. There are certain pens which leak extra ink in the middle and compromise the overall finishing of the artwork. I'm speeding the video because I don't want to waste your time showing each and every color to you. You must have already realized that these pens are very smooth and very easy to use. I will be showing you the close-up of these patterns that I am drawing, so that it will be easier for you to analyze the colors and the finish. This set is only available for 100 rupees. That is only 10 rupees per pen. You can find the direct link to buy in the description box below. You can see how beautiful and highly pigmented the finish is. Let me know which product should I review next and I will do that for you. And remember, I'm not getting paid by the brands or this video is not sponsored at all. This is completely honest review. Here are some of my artworks that I have made using these pens. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment which pens or products should I review next. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.